Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to Daily Positive Healing. I am so glad you've chosen to gift yourself this time for peace and mental clarity. Let's begin by gently closing our eyes or softening our gaze and taking a deep, nourishing breath in and a long, releasing sigh out. With each breath, allow yourself to settle in, to feel calm, relaxed, and fully focused on this present moment. Simply notice your breath, the natural rhythm of your inhale and your exhale. There is no need to change it. There is no need to change anything about yourself in this moment. You are already refined, whole, and exactly as you are meant to be. Just allow yourself to relax into this feeling of comfort. And if you notice your mind beginning to wander, that's perfectly okay. Allow your thoughts to simply flow in and flow out, like gentle clouds in a vast sky. As you continue breathing, I invite you to imagine yourself relaxing on a beautiful, serene beach. Feel a cool, gentle breeze softly brushing against your skin. You watch the waves rising and falling in a slow, steady rhythm. You are completely surrounded by a deep sense of tranquility, a profound peace and serenity. Calm washes over you, just as the waves wash over the sand. You are at peace. In the distance, you can hear birds singing songs of pure joy and happiness. And while you're here, in this safe and peaceful space, give yourself permission to release. Release any worry, any intrusive thoughts, any sadness you may be carrying. Imagine placing those heavy emotions onto a leaf and watching as it floats gently down the stream out to sea. Let it all go, carried away far, far away from you and your happiness. Feel the space you're creating in your mind, in your heart, and in your spirit. Space for positivity, for light, for clarity to flow in. Stay here for a few more moments, breathing in this peace, listening to the sounds of tranquility. When you hear the sound of the bell, you will begin to gently bring your awareness back.
Those games take a lot of time and energy to learn. I'm exhausted. It can be emotionally draining when kids don't feel like they want to or can't listen to you, especially in school.